Opening stance, stepping out 1. Arms 2. Slowly bend 3. Hold a ball 1. Heel 2. Part the mane 3. Rock back 1. Hold a ball 2. Heel 3. Part the mane 4. White crane, step in halfway, hold a ball 1. Rock back, open the left arm part way 2. Brush the knee, kick, spread the wings 3. Flap the left wing 4. Right wing 5. Pull the right foot in. Brush knee twist. Heel prepare 1. Brush the knee, push 2. Rock back. Turn the right palm up 1. Step in, reach to the corner 2. Heel prepare 3. Brush the knee, push 4. Single whip to the right 1. Left palm up 2. Swap hands 3. Hook 4. Heel 5. Transfer your weight 6. Cloud hand walk, drop the right arm 1, 2, 3, step in 4. Again 3, 2, 3, step in 4. Last time 3, 2, 3, 4. Peacock, hold a ball 1. Heel 2. Transfer your weight forward 3. Left arm up 4. Palms over 5. Rock back and reach 6. Left hand in 7. Push forward 8. Hands on the ball, roll it back 9. Push it forward and up 10. Cross hands open to your left 1, 2. Drop the arms 3. Step in 4. Lift 5. Closing stance, palms down 1. Arms down 2. Stepping in 3.